Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this gorgeous Kawasaki Z1000SX. This one is the performance model and it's the Tourer as well. So cracking bikes are these. This one is a 2019 on a 19 plate. It was brand new in March 19, so there's plenty of warranty still left on it. One owner bike and it's only done 1,094 miles. Cracking machines are these. I really do rate these bikes. You've got two power modes, you've got F and you've got L. You've got a couple of different modes for traction control, so you've got all the way up to number 3 and you can turn it off. ABS. This one, because it is performance, you get them twin carbon Akrapovic exhausts. You get the green colour-coded seat cowl, but then with it being a Tourer, you get the two-piece luggage, which is rackless. This one's been fitted with a tail tidy, and being the Tourer, you get the satnav prep as well. So it's got this Kawasaki sensible braking system on it, or whatever it's got, a bit like lean angle braking sensitivity on it. Just a nice bike. Let's give it a quick start up. If Mr. Cameraman can just have a look at this dead quick, these do come with the adjustable screen as well. So touring mode, playtime mode, LED lights as well, and she's got a slipper clutch. So, if you want this bad boy, save yourself a fortune of a buying brand new and get yourself down to Jordanbikes, or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.